Hey guys, it's Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and today we're standing on our Sea Ray 2019 310 SLX. Right now I'm standing on our swim platform. Got a nice large area to stand out and hang out, as well as our sun pad. This flip up backrests and easily go back down. As well back here, you have a Fusion remote for your Fusion stereo system, so you don't need to go up into the cockpit of the boat to be able to adjust your music. Now here in our transom walkthrough, you have a cooler with all your beverages. This makes it easy. You also don't have to get up on the boat to grab another drink while you're hanging out. As well through here, nice panel with your battery switches. Makes it easy to flip on and off when you're getting on and off the boat at the dock. As well as your freshwater wash down in here. Now even up here, we also have some more storage with another cooler. Here under our nice hard top, gives you a lot of shade. We're standing next to the galley area. We've got a nice little sink, some storage, ice chests, as well as under here we have a trash receptacle and a nice refrigerator. While we're standing in the cockpit, we also have a ton of lounge seating to fit all you and your family, all your friends out. You can have a lot of people up on this boat. And there's a lot of storage, if I haven't already mentioned that. And pretty much under all these seats, you either find coolers or dry storage. All right, here at our home station, as you can see, we have a nice two-person seat. It also has flip-up thigh bolster. We got two Simrad screens, our Fusion radio, all your switches, as well as over here, you got your digital Mercury throttle and shift, as well as your joystick piloting, which is a great feature for maneuvering around the docks, especially paired with the Bravo 3 drives. Now on our port side over here, we do have a very similar seat, also has a flip-up bolster. This one actually spins around, so you can face back like it is now, or when you're underway, it faces forward. Right in front of this seat, we also have a very large head compartment and a nice little lockable glove box. Put your wallet and stuff in there. Also a 12 volt in there to charge your phone. Maybe let's say you stopped in at a restaurant or something and wanted to lock some stuff up. And we're going to move up to the bow and I'll show you the bow seating in a minute. Up here in the bow, we have some seating. You can kick back, relax while you're running or hanging out. As well as under all this seating, dry storage, more dry storage. Then actually under the helm, this folds up and you have a huge storage area which also houses your tables and filler cushions and stuff. As well as up here, you have your windlass anchor system with controls and a freshwater wash down. Again, this has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, right here on beautiful LBI, and this has been our 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. If you want to ask any questions about this boat or any other boat we have here in our inventory, give us a call at 609-494-2102.